Those things.
Tickers. Locusts use them like landmines, so keep your distance.
I'm telling you, y'all gotta clear the way so Betty can move on through. Tickers are ugly, and Betty don't like ugly.
Nemesis occupying your local airspace. Can you confirm?
Nothing in sight yet, Control, but we'll keep an eye out.
I remember when they took land down, during the Winter of Sorrow. It was a bad omen.
Crazy that somewhere this close to Jacinto has been under Locust control for so long. You'd think we'd have launched this assault years ago.
I'm sure the COG had their reasons. Those probably weren't good ones.
Clear!
Ain't that the berries? No more tickers. Betty's a happy lady. Glad to hear it. Just keep moving.
Nemesis! Under heavy fire from our left flank.
Minotaur 4-9 moving into position. Opening fire.
Come on, beat the soldier. Copy that, Cole. Thanks for the assist.
Guess you don't need my help at all, Delta. Control, Delta is clear. Copy 5-1. Riggs needs CAP near Barrington Square. Over. Copy that, Control. 3-6 on its way. See you on the side, Delta.
Copy. Thanks, 5-1. Let's keep moving, Delta. Cole, we'll see you on the other side.
You know it, baby!
Control, how much farther to the drill zone?
Close. Just beyond the tunnel ahead. Remember, your grind lifts are calibrated to dig from the exact location of the town's central monument. You're gonna have to back in the trucks to get them properly aligned.
Wilco, Delta out. Could be anything in here. Keep an eye out, Delta.
You ever wonder why they don't just give us flashlights?
Kid's got a point.
Might versus light.
Meaning...
That I'd take an extra gun over a flashlight any day.
Let me light up, man. Who's next?
Lost them!
What is this?
Taking fire!
Dizzy, we could use some light. No way! I got your back like a butt crack. Take cover! I ain't bring a penny after y'all come to the border! I am with you! Let's
mortar through the roof, Marcus. I need a way in.
Sideline blind!
Jack, open this door.
Moving! Advancing. Advancing!
Scratch one drop. Orders are all clear, Dizzy. Let's get to the drilling zone. I think we'll ride the rest of the way.
We got a Bruma coming out of the tunnel.
Oh, hell, you gonna try to molest my base! Delta, defend the ridge! Welcome back, boys! Good job! Smell that Brumac barbecue!
Damn. Talk about a graveyard.
Dirty grub shit all over this place. I got no respect for the dead. A lot of good soldiers from the Pendulum Wars buried here. Sure could use those men now. Control, this is Delta. We've reached the drill zone.
Roger that, Delta. What's your launch status?
We're getting the lifts in position now. As long as Delta keeps my ass covered.
Roger that. Control out.
Locust! We've got a grub hole! What do you think? Hit him hard, Delta! Make sure no one gets banging the girls! Otherwise, this mission is done! Back in your hole!
Damn it! They keep coming!
One in here. Better make this quick. Entire area is overrun. Watch that right flank. They're coming out.
Hit those mortars! Control, this is Delta. We've reached the drill zone.
Roger that, Delta. What's your launch status?
We're getting the lifts in position now. Long as Delta keeps my ass covered.
Roger that. Control out.
Locust! Incoming! Incoming! Nice!
The 10 shitloads you were talking about, Sergeant?
What do you think? Hit him hard, Delta! Make sure they don't hit Betty in the mirror! Otherwise, that's all you got! Damn it! They keep coming! Dizzy, how much longer do you need?
Entire area is overrun. What's that right place? They're coming!
Delta, hit those mortars! Grind lifts. Let's go, 2 by 2.
Yo, Marcus,
Yeah?
if something happens to me, promise me you'll look for Maria.
You got it, Dom. No problem. Get your asses down there!
Marcus, should we try to...
Damn it! Wolf butt! Ah, fuck!
Cole used to puke on a raven, he must be tagging the walls with Chook right now. Damn. So this is what the inner hollow looks like.
Ty, this is Marcus. Do you read me? Ty! Dizzy? Dizzy, you there? Oh, shit. Control, this is Delta. Do you read?
Delta, this is Alpha 1. We've lost contact with the surface. We're limited to short-range radio, but we've got a line on a cedar.
Roger that, Alpha 1. Good hunting.
Sarge, can you hear me?
Carmine, what's your position?
Not really sure, sir. I think my lift went off course.
Is Ty with you?
No, he jumped out before launch. But I see another lift up ahead.
All right, head that way and we'll catch up. Don't engage the enemy. Just defend your position.
Will do, Sarge. Wish me luck.
Hang in there, Rook. We'll be there soon. Let's go find Carmine. Dom, let's split up. We'll find him faster.
Delta, this is Control. Surface comm re-established thanks to Alpha 1.
Good to hear, Control.
And keep an eye on the ceilings, Delta. Grindlets could be dropping down all around you.
Roger that. Any word from Ty or Dizzy?
Sorry, Marcus. Drill zone's gone dark. I'll keep trying. Oh, and Marcus, be careful down there, all right?
Yeah. Thanks, Anya. Delta out. Keep it together, Rook! Dom, double time! Let's get in there, Dom! That's gonna hurt. Who's next?
Sarge! I made it!
Rook, you did good. Control, this is Delta. We got Carmine, but it looks like Echo 5 is down. We're heading deeper into the hollow.
Tunnel maps show direct access approximately 30 meters ahead.
But, sir, there's a wall there?
What about the grind lift?
I think it's busted, sir.
Jack, see what you can do.
Delta, according to Jack, that grind lift should be operational now.
Thanks, Control. All right, let's give this lift a shove.
Man, it's dusty as hell.
You know the helmets have a filtering system on them, right? If you wore a helmet, then you wouldn't have to breathe in the dust.
Yeah, but I wouldn't see snipers so well then, would I?
Cool it, Dom.
This is Omega 1! We are about to be overrun!
Let's get down there, Delta.
Alpha 7 here, Locust spotted. Could use some assistance. There we go! Hit him harder! Let's go, man, move! Gamma 3 successfully deployed.
Mine now. To go. Sweet. Don't mind if I do. Good to go.
Secure the area until we can move our wounded.
Delta, this is Control. Do you still read me?
Roger that, Control. Some static, but we copy.
We're picking up massive seismic activity beneath Ilima City. Recommend...
Okay, let's move out. Look out!
I don't think this place is stable.
Probably isn't, so keep moving.
What's with these glowy things?
What do I look like, a fucking botanist? Some kind of plant, I don't know.
Want some?
Control, you have any info on this thing? Looks like a big snake or a worm made of stone.
Recent intel lists it as a rockworm. Not sure if it's dangerous, but we do know it's an indigenous cave creature that feeds on plants.
Glowing plants?
Right. We've had reports that those are one of its main food sources. We've also been told that the worms are nearly indestructible. Apparently gunfire doesn't affect them at all.
She's right. That thing's not even paying attention to you. Marcus, you think Dizzy and Ty made it up there?
I don't know, I hope so. Ty's as tough as a robot, though, so if anyone could make it, it'd be him.
So who the hell was that screaming locust guy anyway?
No idea. Crazy bastard cut through a friggin' tank, though. He's gotta be a locust big shot or something.
What, like Rom?
Maybe. But he made Rom look like a goddamn pushover. What's this? Be a locust big shot or something.
What, like Rom?
Maybe. But he made Rom look like a goddamn pushover.
Which way, Marcus?
You take the rook left. I'll take the right.
Got it.
Good to go. Well, maybe it's just a staging area. Probably a base down deeper.
Sarge?
Yeah?
You really think we're gonna see the surface again?
Yeah. Yeah, kid, I do. I'm out!
Seismic activity is getting stronger, Delta. Do you have a visual yet?
Nothing yet. We'll keep you posted. Delta out.
Got a grab hold!
Sweet.
Carmine, could be snipers in the area. Keep a lookout.
Shit! Nuts! I'll take this. Good night. Come on! Oh yeah! Take it! Oh yeah! Nuts! Watch the sides, Delta.
Marcus, look down there.
Anybody need some sniper practice? That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. That's five, motherfuckers! the door!
Coming in!
Good.
Control, this is Alpha 2. We've successfully deployed.
Alpha 2, this is Delta. We're too deep for surface contact.
Roger that, Delta. We're beginning our mission. Delta, we're under heavy mortar fire.
Roger that. We'll take them out from here.
Kevin seems unstable. We're gonna try and regroup with Alpha 1. Alpha 2 out.
What the hell is that thing?
That ain't good. But I guess we found our seismic activity. Control, this is Delta. Control, do you read me? Control!
Guess we're too deep.
Whatever that was, it's gone. Let's go!
One thing I still don't understand. Have the locusts been down here, like, forever? Or what?
Who knows, man?
This one guy in Basic, he thought they were from Risea or one of the moons, and that they feed on emulsion.
Hey, Marcus, you ever seen him eating emulsion?
They can eat shit and die for all I care.
Guys, what am I hearing?
Down here, something else to shoot.
I think it's safe to say that's not a natural cave formation.
You were wondering where they come from, Carmine? Humans!
What are these guys?
I don't care, just shut them up! Use the worms for cover! shack, scan these bodies. Looks like there's some kind of markings. Okay, let's move out. I don't see any movement up ahead, but let's split up and get the drop on anyone who's there. Up ahead, but let's split up and get the drop on anyone who's there. Give me that.
Yeah.
Roger that, Delta. We've also just received topside confirmation that Elima City... The entire city has been sunk, right at your position.
Anya! It's a giant worm! They're sinking cities with a giant worm!